Hi everyone, it's Jennifer. I was gifted a retainer cleaner, denture cleaner, jewelry cleaner. It does all the things. I love these. This also has this special place on top that you can put like a toothbrush in there so that you can submerge it. This is stainless on the inside, and there is a fill line here, and that's kind of all that you need to know. You just pop your item in here. You make sure it's covered with water. You attach the cord, plug it in, and I'm going to show you how to use it on top. It also comes with these tweezers and a really easy to use guide. So let's see what it's like. This is so simple to use. You just lift it up, put in your item. This is where you have all of your UV lights for that 360-degree deep cleaning. You press on top and you get two modes. Fast clean, which is 5 minutes of ultrasonic with UV for just like a daily refresh, or mode 2, which I use every day. And that is a 5-minute pulse with UV plus 5-minute continuous ultrasonic with IV. And that helps more with stain removal. Again, the lights work throughout, but they do shut off if you open the lid. You get that countdown on top. It's super quiet. It's only 45 dBs. And this is portable, so you can take this with you. This is also a great gift for teens or tweens in your life who might have a retainer or they have Invisalign. Also great for anyone who has dentures. This is incredible. It gets all of the dirt out, and all of those little tiny bubbles really do the job. So I'm telling you, this is great. Check it out.